People of Shillong are demanding apology from those who defamed Meghalaya over the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. Pressure groups, CSOs and common people, including the business community, came together for a rally being held at Shillong's commercial capital, Kindelat. So, breaking news coming in, viewers. People of Shillong are demanding apology from those who defamed Meghalaya over the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. So, pressure groups, CSOs and common people, including the business community, came together for a rally being held at Shillong's commercial capital, Kindelat. So, time to apologize to Meghalaya, read placards. So, people of Shillong, they are demanding apology from those who defamed Meghalaya over the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. Meanwhile, pressure groups, CSOs and common people, including the business community, came together for a rally being held at Shillong's commercial capital, Kindelat. So HYC Hito lead a sit-in demonstration in Shillong. So these are the visuals coming in of the rally. So people of Shillong, they are demanding apology from those who defamed the state over the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. So as you can see on your screens, viewers, pressure groups, CSOs and common people. So common people also took to the streets demanding apology who defamed Meghalaya. And meanwhile, business community, everyone came together for a rally being held at Shillong's commercial capital, Kindelat. So time to apologize to Meghalaya, read placards. So these are the visuals coming in. So HYC Hito lead sit-in demonstration, viewers. So people of Shillong, they are demanding apology who defamed Meghalaya over the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. So these are the visuals coming in from Shillong, as you can see on your screens. The common people also took to the streets demanding apology from those who defamed the state regarding the Raja and Sonam Raghuvanshi case.
The entire episode was put into bad light by not properly investigating. The media just jumped to conclusions, and there was a certain caption where it said the crime hills of Meghalaya. So I think media should abstain from such captions and statements where they, without any investigation, without any information, they just defame a state's integrity and the safety of the people. The positive narration which is going in the press now, I think we should bring in more tourists. So probably this has brought Shillong more to the limelight of the tourists, where people can come in Shillong safely, enjoy themselves, enjoy the beauty of Shillong.
हम लोग ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया कि हम लोग बहुत दुखमन लगता जो ये लोग रघुवंशी खानदान को और राजा रघुवंशी का भाई और सोनम रघुवंशी का फैमिली मेंबर, ये लोग बहुत गिराया वाला बात किया मेघालय के लिए। और राजू रघुवंशी का जो भाई, वो तो डायरेक्ट इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि जो मेघालय का आदमी ये लोग लड़की सप्लाई करता बांग्लादेश में, वो क्या, तो वो कौन सा प्रूफ वो दिखाने होगा, कब हुआ ये सब, क्यों हम लोग तो इधर में मालूम नहीं था। वो इतना इंदौर से इधर मालूम है ये सब क्राइम, तो वो हम लोग को ये सब फ्लैश करने होगा, बताने होगा। अगर ये सही नहीं तो वो मेघालय का गवर्नमेंट, मेघालय का बासिंदा माफ़ी मांगने होगा। और जो मेघालय पुलिस को बोला, मेघालय पुलिस कुछ नहीं किया, कार्रवाई नहीं किया, तो जो इतना दिखाया ड्रोन, कुत्ता, ये सब आदमी रस्सी बांध के नीचे गया पुलिस लोग, वो लोग क्या तलाश करने गया उधर में। इल्ज़ाम उसको लगाओ अगर आप मालूम है कि ये राइट है। ऐसा जो उसका वो जो सोनम रघुवंशी का पिताजी या फैमिली मेंबर, आई डोंट नो, वो क्या बोला, मेघालय मुर्दाबाद। किस लिए कहा था ये मेघालय मुर्दाबाद? मेघालय तो कोई फॉरेन कंट्री नहीं है, कोई पाकिस्तान नहीं है, कोई बांग्लादेश नहीं है। अगर मेघालय मुर्दाबाद ये भी तो इंडिया है। वो लोग सोचने होगा, खाली जो मुख में निकल गया उसको बोलने से तो अच्छा नहीं होगा। क्यों हम लोग को भी लगता है, हम लोग माँ है, हम लोग का बच्चा बाहर में भी जाता पढ़ने के लिए। तो अगर हमारा बच्चा को कोई हादसा हुआ उधर में, हम लोग देश को ही बोलेगा, जहाँ हादसा हुआ उसको बोलेगा। क्या क्राइम हुआ उसके साथ? जितना क्राइम बाहर में होता है मेघालय में नहीं होता। इतना क्राइम पेट्रोल हम लोग देखता, कितना क्राइम होता बाहर में। बीबी अपना पति को मारा, देवर अपना भाई को मारा।
To those so-called fake news like News 18 and some of those YouTubers who tarnishing our state, I want to send this message in Hindi. आप लोग जो फेक न्यूज़ है एकदम वो कुत्ता माफिक जो खाली भोंक नहीं जानता है, पर हम लोग का मेघालय सरकार है, हम लोग गर्व है मेघालय सरकार और मेघालय पुलिस में। ये लोग एक हाथी के जैसे ही लाख कोशिश कुत्ता भोंकने के बाद भी ये लोग नहीं सुना, पर अपना काम जारी रखा है और ये इस काबिल में पहुंचा है जो अभी ये जैसा चूहा बिल में निकल चुका है और वो अक्यूज सोनम को बाहर ने वो खुद बाहर आया है, सरेंडर किया है पुलिस के सामने में। और हम लोग एक बार गर्व है मेघालय पुलिस में जो इस कोशिश में जो अक्यूज़ को बाहर में लेकर आया या तो हम लोग फुल तरस है मेघालय पुलिस में जो रघुवंशी और उसके फैमिली को इंसाफ दिला सके।
We saw the reaction from different parts of the country, especially the national media. They have termed our hills as the crime-prone hills. The family members of the of late Raja Raghuvanshi as well as of Sonam Raghuvanshi, they have made a defaming observation against our people. Initially, they stated that the locals were responsible for the death and the disappearance of Sonam. They said that the locals were responsible in abducting Sonam and taking her to Bangladesh. But then when the truth came out yesterday, when Sonam was apprehended at UP and her co-accused were arrested in Madhya Pradesh as well as in Uttar Pradesh, the whole thing became clearer. The fact remains that the locals were not responsible. Of course, we did not came out during that point of time because at that time it was too premature for us to come up with a statement. But right now, we want to show that we are very angry with the way the national media portrayed our hills. They said that these are crime-prone hills. They said that the people of Meghalaya are involved in murdering, they are involved in robbery, they are even involved in, organs racketeering. All these allegations have made our name, our reputation as a community, especially the Khasi community, in bad light to the whole of India as well as to the world. So we came out today to show that we demand an apology from the family members of late Raja Raghuvanshi as well as Sonam Raghuvanshi, and we also demand an apology from the national media who have made a bad reputation before India and before the world.
All right, so we was in a powerful display of collective sorrow and resistance. Members of the Unitrap Youth Council, led by Roy Kupar Sindram, and the Unitrap Integrated Territorial Organization under the leadership of President Don Bog Dakhar, participating in a peaceful sit-in demonstration caused by the concerned citizen Mary Victoria Marvin. So these are the visuals on the left side of your screens. So with unwavering resolve, the demonstrators gathered in silence, holding up placards that speaks volumes. So as the sit-in continued, the participants sent out a clear message. While justice for the victim is non-negotiable, vilifying an entire people without truth or evidence is equally unjust. Meanwhile, the people of Meghalaya are not asking for sympathy. They are demanding fairness, accountability, and above all, respect.